I'm wearing this big boo boo. Look at it. You guys, good afternoon. So today is Sunday, and I'm going out. I'm going to see a friend, no, my husband's friend that put to bed. So we are going there to pay the family a visit, just to say hi. Oh, mama, welcome. Oh. I'm wearing this big boo boo. Look at it. This is how it's looking. So let's go. Dry now, put up on. From scratch. At this level of the competition, we're all feeling the pressure. Hi guys, so I'm going to be using this plantain to make lunch for Mitchell, and I'm adding egg to it. So it's plantain and scrambled egg. That's what she's taking for lunch today. And yeah, she has already taken cereal for breakfast. So I'm just going to fry this and then give her for lunch. And dry plantain is usually sweet, and kids love sweet things, so I believe she's going to like this. Most times she likes fried plantain, but I just hope she likes this one today. And she likes scrambled egg too. So if you've not been doing this, just include it in your kids' meal planning, because kids, they like sweet things, and ripe plantain is another sweet food that kids can take, even for picky eaters. And yeah, even scrambled egg like this, kids like it. So if you've not been doing this, just try and inculcate it in your kids food plan, and you see they will love it. Carry it. Put it on the table. On the table. So I noticed the TV was distracting her when she was eating. So I decided to okay, let me turn it off, because most times I don't like putting the TV on while she's eating, because that would not make her to concentrate on the food. So I wanted her to concentrate on the food, so I had to turn it off. So if you see that your kids is so focused on TV while eating, maybe it's because, and they don't eat, just know that it's because they are concentrating on the TV. That's why they are refusing to eat. So I decided to turn it off so that she can eat properly and concentrate on the food she was eating. And yeah, that was how she almost finished the egg. And yeah. So this is what is left from the plantain she ate, and this is the leftover. See, today of all day she refused to finish her plantain. Normally Michelle, this plantain, she will finish it, and even see there's the egg there. She will finish the egg, but today I don't know what happened. So after she finished eating, I decided to okay, let me give her something to as dessert here just to step down, you understand. Orange, and if I had this orange to her food while she was eating, she would not even touch that food at all, so she would just concentrate on the orange. So that's why I decided to like, okay, let me do it separately. And yeah, when she finished eating, I decided to like, okay, let me give her this orange. Yeah, and that was how she finished the orange, even though I didn't show you guys. So the plantain she did not finish, I refrigerated it, and yeah, this morning I decided to like, okay, I can give it to her, just do one or two things, warm it, and I gave it to her with some bread. That's what she's eating there, instead of just throwing the plantain away. You want to carry her? You put this spit in your hand and you're putting it in the mouth. Hmm? Come on, don't put it in your face. What are you doing? So we are set to leave the house, and this madam, she was looking at my wig like she have not seen wig before. The first time she see me wearing wig. Hi guys, I just came into my house now and I bought some fruit. You can see how big this banana is. Michelle, you like the banana? Okay, you can see how big this banana is. And I bought some other fruits like pineapple, watermelon, avocado, then tangerine, with some apples. And Misha is eating this one already. So guys, it's been long I bought fruits in this house. Look at your body, madam. Look at your body. Eh? What is all this? Look at your body. Look at your body. My Milo, when I buy, now you don't throw food around like this. Eh? I don't understand. Somebody will keep something, you go and collect it. And then pour it over, pour it everywhere. Look at your shoe. What I go do you this weekend?